In today's video, I'll show you how to search for startup jobs inside of WellFound. WellFound is a platform where you particularly search for jobs inside of startups. So in order for you to search for jobs that you are willing to do or that suits your job title, you just need to head over to the job section, and right here you'll have the option of adding in your job title as well as your location. Inside of the location option, you have the option of adding in remote jobs if you are interested in them. So select the no jobs option if you are not interested in remote jobs. If you are, you can click the include remote jobs option, and it will give you a result of both mixed, which are full-time and on-site jobs, as well as remote job options. Through this section, you'll be taking a look at all of these job applications. And if you do come across a job, what you can do is click on the save so that it is saved for later and that you can later on apply to. Also, you can add in additional filters such as your salary range, your area of interest, and a few other information. This way, you're going to get results that are specific and will be a lot easier to find the job that you are searching for. So by following this exact method, you'll be able to search for startup jobs inside of WellFound. If this short guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up.